Hello, my name is Chris. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Event Performance Report. To access it, go to the Reports section from the blue menu. Click Events, then select Event Performance Report. To display the correct data, make sure to choose a date range that includes completed events. In this case, I'll select last year. Then click Apply to load the report. The Event Performance Report gives you a consolidated view of performance by aggregating metrics like registrations, attendance, appointment requests, and conversion rates. It also includes detailed breakdowns by month, day of the week, speaker, venue, topic, and more. The report is divided into multiple sections. At the top is the Filter section, where you can set the date range and other filtering options for the data being displayed. By default, the report shows conversion metrics for all attendees. If you want to see conversion data only for head of household attendees, check this box. The report will then update to reflect only those contacts marked as head of household. To filter by event type, use this dropdown. For example, select Retirement Workshop to view only those events in the report. The next section includes the top cards, showing the total number of events and the selected date range, the total event marketing spend, and the number of invitations sent. Each event has an invitation sent field you can use to track how invitations were sent. You'll also see the total number of registrations. These are the attendees who signed up for the event. And finally, the number who actually attended, based on the attended status. These 5 cards pull data from both the events and event attendees tables. A second set of cards pulls data from 3 key sources: appointments, sales pipeline, and financial accounts. These cards help you measure deeper outcomes beyond registration. Specifically, how many attendees scheduled a first appointment after the event, how many of those appointments were kept, and how many attendees ultimately became clients. Then you'll see how many of those attendees actually converted into clients. This number reflects your event's overall effectiveness at generating business, helping you understand not just interest, but real conversion from attendees to paying clients, followed by the total financial account value issued for those clients after attending an event. The estimated revenue is based on AUM fees or insurance and annuity commissions, and the average case size per household. The next section of the report includes tables that measure conversion by various dimensions. For example, the first table breaks down event performance by month, helping identify which months had the highest conversion rates. For example, here you can see for each month the number of events held, the total marketing spend, number of invitations sent, if that field was filled for each event, the number of people registered, how many actually attended, and the attendance percentage compared to total registrations, also known as the show-up rate. At the bottom of each table, you'll find aggregate results for the columns above, along with conversion rates from attendance to appointments, like requested appointment and first appointment set. The first appointment set metric pulls from the appointments table. The next metric, first set over attended, compares first appointments to attendees. You'll also see first appointment kept over set, became client, and total production issued. This gives you the core performance indicators per month. The second table below tracks performance by day of the week. The third table shows event performance across various dimensions, by subject, by venue, by start time to see what timing delivers the best conversions, by speaker or organizer, by mailhouse, by event type, and by a combination of venue and start date to analyze patterns. So this is a high-level overview of the Event Performance Report. It gives you direct automated insight into how your seminars and events are driving appointment activity and financial production. Thank you.